Hey, so this is a new theme I want to bring up on the podcast Top Stocks as well as the YouTube channel, which is the hot stock of the week. And in this case, I'm going to talk about Nova Limited, NVMI as a ticker symbol. The idea here is to bring to the surface hidden gems that the media is not talking about so you and I can get ahead of it and find these hidden gems before they really take off. So check this out. This stock is really quite an impressive company. I have to give credit to one of our customers out of Spain. Her name is Elaine. She turned me on to this one. So here we go, jumping into Tykr, we can see this stock is on sale with a score of 100. 100 out of 100 is very rare. For context, Tykr has about 30,000 stocks, and if you were to filter on the stocks page by a score of 100, there are only 36 stocks as of this moment with a score of 100 out of 100. What that tells us is the financial statements are pretty much perfect. Then you look at that margin of safety of 90%. Share price is 129 and fair value is 458. So just to pause for a second, what Nova Limited does is they essentially they help semiconductor companies manufacture more chips. What they do is they help with the testing process. They help with yield. Yield is essentially, all the silicone, all the plastic, all the materials. How many more chips can you manufacture out of the materials you have? And then they actually help semiconductor companies go to market faster with new chips. I look at this as an extremely boring business, but with Tykr, we look at value stocks like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, those boring businesses that make us those consistent returns year over year. We are not a get-rich-quick platform. We are not into trading. We're all about, again, value investing. So this stock here, extremely boring. It kind of reminds me of the gold rush of the 1850s. The people who actually made money during the gold rush were not the people mining gold. It's the people selling the tools, the really boring tools such as pickaxes, shovels, and even Levi jeans came out at that time as a stronger pair of pants. But anyway, back to Nova. So their financials are fantastic. If you take a look at the returns, check this out. Year-to-date returns, 55%, and then 5-year returns, looking at 331% for comparison purposes. If you jump to Apple, year-to-date returns are 50% and 5-year returns are actually 233%. So this Nova Limited actually has Apple beat. And then if you jump to Microsoft, year-to-date returns are 37% and 5-year returns are 193%. So in this case, Nova actually has both companies beat. One last thing I'd like to point out, which is pretty cool. If you jump to the earnings calendar, this is really important because when a company has its earnings report and it beats those estimates or expectations, what it does is it gives institutions, those large institutions, more confidence to invest. Now, if I were to go down to the bottom and change this filter to 100, this is incredible. Look at this. So I'm going to go just scroll down slowly. They're beating estimates consistently year over year. We're going back. I'm going back to the last time they missed was the year 2003. 20 years ago is the last time they missed an earnings report. Extremely rare. In my opinion, this is a hidden gem. As long as semiconductors are in business, which they go into everything from your cell phones, TVs, microwaves, refrigerators, automobiles. Yeah, semiconductor chips aren't going anywhere. So a company like this is very much needed. So if you like this new theme, Hot Stocks of the Week or Hidden Gems, please leave a comment. I'd love your feedback. I can certainly do what other YouTubers are doing, which is talking about Tesla or Palantir or Apple or whatever. To be honest with you, that gets kind of boring and there's a lot of hype with those stocks. I'd rather focus on these new stocks. I find it really interesting and even fun to research new businesses. And this one here, I actually had a lot of fun diving into the financials and learning about the company. But anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to find hidden gems like Nova Limited, NVMI as a ticker symbol, we welcome you to join Tykr for free. All right, see you in the next video. Bye for now.